Hello everyone, I'm Marie Hacko, Youth Program Manager for PTEC Manitoba. PTEC Manitoba is one of Manitoba's major tech industry associations dedicated to developing connections and growing the tech sector. Our organization consists of over 130 corporate members representing over 10,000 employees in the Manitoba tech sector. As the Youth Program Manager, I work closely with the PTEC school and staff as we create those vital industry to education connections. For example, grade 9 could be speaker in the classroom, where industry comes in and talks to the students about topics such as website and app development and design, indie game development, data science, AI and machine learning, and in semester 2, industry will come in and talk more along the lines of networking and cybersecurity to align with curriculum. Grade 10, I facilitate industry engagement via the project-based mentoring program, where industry mentors teams of students as they work on a project of their choosing. Grade 11 could be the students working with industry to develop their resumes, LinkedIn profile, and interview skills. Grade 12 is engaging industry to participate as summer internship placements for the graduating grade 12 students. PTEC Manitoba is thrilled to work with the PTEC schools, staff, and students as we showcase the career paths that can exist in our Manitoba tech sector.